Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So students, today our SST's lecture is about unit number 1, which is climate zones of world. So basically there are 5 major climate zones of world, which are equatorial zone, tropical zone, subtropical zone, temperate zone, and polar zone. There is an imaginary line at the center of Earth. This imaginary line at 0 degree is called equator. These zones lie above and below this line. First one is equatorial zone. It lies within 5 degrees of equator. It receives direct sunlight and heavy rainfall. It experiences high temperature all year. Second is tropical zone. Tropical zone stretches from 5 degree to 23.27 degree. Its climate is divided into 2 seasons, summers and winters. Tropical climate experiences hot and humid weather. This zone is called equatorial belt of world. The third zone is subtropical zone. It lies between 23.5 degree tropic latitude to 40 degree temperate latitude. So basically it lies between tropical zone and temperate zone. Its climate consists of warm to hot summers and cool to mild winters. Countries of subtropical zone are Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Russia, Japan, etc. The fourth zone is temperate zone. It lies between 40 degree to 60 degree north and south of equator. It has warm summers and cool winters. It occupies a big part of North America, Europe, and Asia. Students, our last zone is polar zone. It lies between 60 degree to 90 degree north and south of equator. It is characterized by fairly cold atmosphere and absence of trees. Most parts of polar zone are covered by snow. It is also known as tundra climate. Now we will study about the climate of South Asian countries. First country is Pakistan. Climate of Pakistan is divided into 4 zones. Highland climate, which include northern areas of Pakistan like Gilgit, Chitral, lowland climate, which includes Indus Plain, where the climate is extremely hot like Thal and Thar. Coastal climate is dominated by sea breeze. These areas consist of Karachi, Makran. Arid climate includes the deserts where the temperature is very high during daytime and the weather is very cold during night. It includes the areas of southwestern Balochistan such as Gawadhi. The next country is India. India consists of variety of climate. Summers in majority areas of India are hot, winters are mild except the northern areas which receive heavy snowfall in winter. Monsoon in India lasts from July to September. Third country is Bangladesh. It has three main seasons: hot, humid summers, during which the temperature increases, cool, rainy monsoon, during which the Bangladesh receives heavy rainfall, cool, dry winters, during which the temperature decreases to moderate level. Our next country is Nepal. Most of the year, the climate of Nepal remains cool. Summers are hot and winters are cold. Due to its high altitude, it receives snowfall in winter. It also receives heavy rain in monsoon due to its high altitude. The next country is Bhutan. The climate of Bhutan and Nepal is similar as both are situated close to each other. Climate of Bhutan is pleasant in summer. It receives snowfall in winter due to its high altitude. The last country is Sri Lanka. Climate of Sri Lanka is hot and humid. Sri Lanka receives a lot of rainfall in monsoon. Students, now we will start our work on our workbook page number 2. Our first question is choose the correct answer. Number 1 is the equatorial belt of the world is called tropical climate zone. Number 2 is polar climate zone is also known as tundra climate zone. The temperature of Sri Lanka is hot and humid as it is situated near the equator. The fourth one is a pleasant climate and lush green mountainous areas attract tourists. Next is fill in the blanks. Fourth one is the subtropical zone lies between 23.5 degree tropic latitude to 40 degree temperate latitude. Second is moderate climate has warm summers and cool winters. Number 3 is Nepal and Bhutan are situated near each other and have same climatic conditions. Number 4 is devastating cyclones are very common in Bangladesh. Our next question is tick the correct statement and cross the false. Number 1 is the countries of subtropical zone are Japan and Georgia. This is a true statement. Number 2 is temperate zone climate is too cold. This is a false statement as temperate zone climate is neither too hot nor too cold. The third one is most of the polar areas are covered by grass. This is a false statement because the polar areas are covered by snow. Fourth one is polar climate is characterized by absence of trees and fairly cold weather. This is a true statement. Now we will move to our workbook page number 3. Question 1 is differentiate polar and tropical climate zone. Polar zone. Weather cold weather, houses, igloo, built with blocks of ice, plants, algae, lichens, and mosses, animals, polar bear, penguins, and Arctic fox, clothing, warm clothes, tropical zone, weather, hot weather, houses, modern style, plants, freesia, gladiola, bamboo, and banana, animals, jaguar, sloth, and chameleon, clothing, light cotton cloths. Our question 2 is which type of houses are built in equatorial climate zone? The answer is houses are built on wooden pedestal to keep them safe from flooding. Question number 3 is why does Karachi have less rainfall than Islamabad even if Karachi is a coastal city? Its answer is Karachi receives less rainfall as compared to Islamabad, even it is a coastal area because Islamabad is a hilly area covered with forest all over. Trees are always a source of receiving more rainfall in area. Now we will move to our workbook, page number 4. The first question on page number 4 is why do you think there is heavy rainfall at equatorial zone throughout the year? Its answer is this region lies within 5 degrees of equator on both sides being close to the equator. This region receives a lot of direct sunlight and heavy rainfall. Region with this climate experience high temperature all year around. So, our question number 5 is study the climatic zone map of Pakistan and answer the following questions. The first question is which is the hottest city of Pakistan? Jackbaba. Second question is which is the coldest city of Pakistan? Skardu. Third question is which climate zone of Pakistan is best for vegetation? Give reason to support your answer. The answer is this region includes the whole of Indus Plain except the coastal areas. Most part of Indus Plain lies at the western end of tropical zone. It has arid and extreme climate with hot summers, cool winters, and monsoon rainfall. Now we will move to our subjective questions. There are two subjective questions which we will write on our notebook. The first one is write names of 4 climate zones of Pakistan. Climate of Pakistan is divided into 4 zones. Highland climate, lowland climate, coastal climate, and the last one is arid climate. Question 2 is write a note on equatorial climate. The answer is being close to the equator, this region receives a lot of direct sunlight and heavy rainfall. Regions with this climate experiences high temperatures all year around. The average monthly temperatures are about 26 to 28 degree Celsius. So students, we have completed our today's task. Say Alhamdulillah. Thank you students. Allah Hafiz.